This is Grace. Grace wants to learn about careers in security, but there are so many roles and pathways available, and it can become overwhelming not knowing where to start. Fortunately, Grace has heard about the newly launched AWSN mentoring platform, where she can sign up as a member to grow her network and to learn from mentors in the security industry. Using the mentoring app, Grace can easily create a mentee profile, browse her recommended matches, and start connecting with security professionals from all across Australia. And by meeting in person or virtually via the in-app video feature, Grace can ask questions about the career path, and her mentor can share her own unique journey into security that led to where she is today. Now that Grace has finished the mentoring session, she feels ready to learn more about security and can do more research using her mentor's advice. When she's ready, Grace can use the in-app video feature to meet with Rachel again and talk about what she's learned. Grace can also talk with someone else working in her area of interest, pen testing, cybercrime and GRC. And after a couple of quick profile updates, she's ready to connect with a new mentor. By using AWSN's mentoring platform, Grace can now confidently start her security career, armed with insights from experienced mentors, new connections, and a network ready to support her as a woman in security.